What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your system drive on Windows laptop or PC to remove junk files, free up space and let your system breathe easier. Let's go. Let's start by deleting temporary files. To do this, press Windows R key combination to call this run window and type in temp. Hit enter and it takes you to the temporary files folder. Here press Ctrl A to select all files and press delete key. Now if you see this window with try again and skip buttons, you need to check this checkbox. Do this for all current items and click on skip. And if you see the window with the continue button, once again check this checkbox and click on continue. And now all temporary files are deleted. These folders and files seems to be in use, so it's impossible to delete these files. And if you use some application very often, they easily create new temporary files if they need, and those you use rarely will not clutter up your system with their junks. And now Windows has one more place where temporary files are stored. Once again press Windows R and this time type in %temp% and once again hit enter and repeat this action. Ctrl A to select all, delete. Do this for all current items. Skip, not try again. And that's it. Now you can close this window. Some people also suggest to clear the prefetch folder in the similar way, but I don't recommend you doing that because it will temporarily slow down loading of frequently using applications. Later I will show you a smarter way to clear the prefetch folder. Next, open your Explorer and scroll down the left panel, find your system disk, click on that, go to Windows folder, then scroll down to software distribution folder. Now go to download and delete all these files. It's completely safe and you don't need these files actually. Once again, click on continue, make sure that this checkbox is checked. Okay, next, if you have hard drives, so I have only solid drive, but if you have hard drives, go to this PC. Now right click on your hard drive, show more options, then click on properties, go to the tools tab and check the disk for errors and optimize your drive. Solid-state drives work a little bit differently, so they don't need to be checked for errors and optimized. But for hard drives, this is a good practice every week or every 2 weeks or something like this. One more thing to do is to clean system disk using Clean Manager. So press our favorite Windows R key combination and type in clean mgr and hit enter. And in this window, check all checkboxes, click on clean up system files and wait for this system process. Once again, make sure all checkboxes here are checked and click on OK. Now click on delete files and just wait for the operation to be completed. One more tip: in your file explorer, click on search and type in size, huge. To see your large files, you can check, maybe you don't need some of these files and you can just clean up storage by deleting them, or you can type in size gigantic to find large files over 4 GB. And a tip for the smart guys, use CCleaner tool. This software will make your life much more easier because it allows to clean your PC from single control panel, and all the best absolutely for free. So you can clean Windows applications, you can clean Windows Explorer system from temporary files, from memory dumps, and also it smartly clears old prefetch data and it doesn't affect applications you use frequently. Also, you can clean browser cache, all browsers at once, and additionally you can clean your registry, you can uninstall applications without trace in the system, you can analyze your disk, create restore points, and much more. So this application is really amazing, and the basic features are free and some advanced paid features, but to clean up your PC, free version is completely enough. So guys, hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.